Imagine living a maintenance-free lifestyle, only 15 minutes away from Lake Nona, where they can pay for all of your closing costs. If that sounds too good to be true, stay with me to the end and I will show you why this dream community can be the perfect one for you. If this is your first time in this channel and you want to know more about what Florida has to offer and where to find communities with the most amazing incentives, then go ahead and hit the notification button and subscribe so you can be the first one to know about all of the communities that we will be showcasing here in this channel as we go all throughout Central Florida. My name is Lana Ribeiro and I'm a real estate advisor here in the Sunshine State. My passion is to help you find your home and live your dreams. I believe with the right guidance and determination, we can make it all happen. So whether you're browsing or looking to make the move in the next 3, 6, 9 months, feel free to reach out so we can connect and talk about all of your real estate goals and aspirations. My team and I get calls from people just like you every day, all day. And we love it because we love helping you making this transition as smooth as possible. So you can always give us a call, give us a text, or even schedule a Zoom call so we can connect in person. Okay guys, so the property of today is a beautiful community only 15 minutes away from Lake Nona. So we have everything and anything just a drive away. We also have beautiful hospitals like New Morris and Orlando Health about 15 minutes from this specific area. And we also have Publix, Winn-Dixie, and everything that you need for your day-to-day. So the other thing that I love about this specific area is the fact that we're close to the airport. We're close to Disney, about 25 minutes, but we also have downtown Orlando not too far away. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at this beautiful 3-bedroom, 2.5, 2-story townhome in a community that is offering amazing incentives. So let's go. Okay, so let's get started with this tour. Like I said, this is a beautiful townhome, only 15 minutes away from Lake Nona. And I'll tell you a really quick story because I did buy a townhouse out in Lake Nona about 10 years ago, and this was for $167,000. Now, of course, we don't find any of those prices anywhere, especially Lake Nona, so definitely this will be a really good place for you guys to invest if that is something that you're looking for. So let's go ahead, and as we enter, we have this beautiful area right over here where you can decorate it just the way it is. I think it's perfect because you can even put like something for your keys. That way you're never losing your keys. I don't know about you guys, but I am always kind of like missing where I put my keys. And I know some friends do too, so maybe you're not, but let me know in the comments what your experience is with that. But I feel like this area will be perfect for it. So the other thing that I love about this floor plan is the fact that it does have a split floor plan. We have the living room over here, and then on the other side of the home will be the kitchen and the dining room. So take a look and see how spacious this is. I love the fact that you have a space for the furniture, your TV, you have your windows. There is 2 additional windows here because it's a corner unit. Depending where you pick your unit, it might look a little bit different, but this model is beautiful for that specific reason, okay? So here we go, and we have the first half bath down here in the first floor, and I love it because it's very accessible for all of your guests. So take a look and see the space that we have right in this bathroom. All right, so let's go and take a look at the heart of the home because I really feel like a lot of people do see this area as one of the most important areas of their home, the kitchen. So I love the fact that this townhouse comes with an island. Not every single townhome you'll see with something like this, but in this case they added it, and I think it gives us that much more luxury type of feeling just because it's beautiful. You still have your counter space on this side with your beautiful 42-inch cabinetry, and it just looks so polished and beautiful, right? Very bright. So I love this kitchen. I think it's very perfect as far as like functionality of it. It's not too small, it's not too big. I think it goes perfect for what this townhouse has to offer. And now that we are here, love the fact that they are giving us all of our appliances. You heard that well. That's not very typical for new construction. Sometimes we don't have the fridge, In this case, they're giving this for us for all the quick move-in homes. So it's time to take advantage of that, right? And if you were wondering where is your pantry, it will be right here, right next to your island. So easy access to get all the things that you need to make your meals and things like that. So now let's go ahead and look at the beautiful dining room area, because I think it's very unique, the fact that we can fit this big of a table. Again, we are in a townhome, and I do feel like sometimes we think they're like super small. In this case, we do have that extra space that we need, right? So enjoy the view. Again, this is a corner unit. We do have extra windows. And I love where this specific home is located because we do have a beautiful water view. So now let's go and take a look at this patio. And like I said, this is a unit that does have the water view. Now, feel how peaceful that is. I really love whenever we have that opportunity to be able to purchase something right with a water view, because you can just sit out here and enjoy a beautiful afternoon. It's very, very, very nice when we do have this extra space where you guys can just hang out and just chill. So now we are done with the first floor. We're gonna go ahead to the second floor and see all of the bedrooms. Let's go. Okay, so let's go and take a look at the second floor of this beautiful townhome. And I love the fact that we do have an extra space. This is a loft. Right as you walk up the steps, you find this extra additional living space. Now in this case, they have it more like a video room kind of thing. There's a TV right here on the wall, but you can make this anything you need. If you need this to be your office, this could be it. I would personally use it more like maybe a gym. I'll put my treadmill out here and just kind of like have that extra space. But you tell me, what will you use this for? I love this extra space. So now let's go ahead and take a look at this side of the home, and we're going to find our laundry area. So now, as I mentioned, the beautiful thing that they're doing right now is that they are giving us our washer and dryer, and that is not typical at all. And that is the reason why I feel like this is a really good opportunity for someone that's looking for something just like this. Maintenance-free living, because you don't have to worry about anything. Your HOA will cover all of your maintenance on the outside, which is perfect, right? So you let me know if that is something that you're looking for. So now let's go ahead and take a look at the two bedrooms that are on this side of the home. So the first one is going to be right here. And as you can see, guys, the second floor does have carpet all throughout, and that's typical for like when you're buying a townhome with this community. You'll have the carpet, but you will have the tile in all of your wet areas. In this case, we are on the second floor, one of the first bedrooms, and we do have a very spacious closet. So that is wonderful if this were to be a bedroom for one of your family members. Now let's go and see the next one, which is right next to it. And in this case, they have it more like a desk, or I mean an office space, which is perfect. You can put your table, you can have your computer, and if you have kids or anything like that, you can be working from here and making sure that they're not destroying your house. Perhaps they can be in the loft area watching TV or anything that you need. So you tell me, what will you use this room for? Okay, so even here on the second floor, we still have that split floor plan type of thing. We did see the two bedrooms in the back. We do have the full bath over here that will be more likely for the people that live on this side of the home. And we'll see lastly the master bedroom with its own bathroom, of course. So let's go and see. I love that there is a double vanity, because if it's two adults or even two kids that do live on that side of the home, they can each have their own sink, which is nice. You do have your bath and of course your toilet, because that's very essential. But look at how beautiful this is. It really goes with the theme of the home. They have the quartz also up here on the second floor, just like in the kitchen. Okay, so we are almost done with this tour. We are now walking into the primary suite, and as you can see, it has so much space, guys. Look at this beautiful bedroom. This is a king size bed, so you have this gigantic bed, and on top of that you have a space for your nightstands and for your drawer up here. So just to give you that idea of how big this room really is. The other thing that I love is the tray ceiling that they have. That comes with the home. It is part of it. It's not an add-on, it's not an additional cost, it's the way they built. So I love that about this builder. And then the other thing I love about this townhouse is that it has such a spacious closet. I mean, if there's 2 people in this bedroom that live here, they will have no reason to fight because you have a lot of space. And if it's just 1 person, then this is it, all of it for you. So I love it. And now wait until you see the bathroom, because the bathroom is also very, very gorgeous. And here we are. Enjoy this, because you don't really see this much in townhomes for the price point that I will be sharing with you in just a few minutes. So again, we do have the same theme of the kitchen up here with the countertops, and also the double sink, a full shower, your toilet that does have a private door, which I think for me that's very important. I don't like it so much when the toilet is kind of like in the open, but that's just my preference. So you let me know what you prefer. And that is it. We are done with the tour of this beautiful townhome. To talk about numbers and know more about this community, I'll see you in just a few. And we are all done. Thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. This is where we talk about the community, remind you where we are, and kind of like talk about those numbers, right? So once again, we are in a community in St. Cloud, Florida. We are 15 minutes away from Lake Nona. We do have all of the commerce, all of the things that you need for your day-to-day, just about 15 to 20 minutes away from here. We also have the airport about 20 minutes away, and Disney and all of the beautiful theme parks that we have about 35 to 45 minutes away. So the location is absolutely prime. If you're looking for something that's maintenance free, then this will be it for you, just because of all of the incentives that they're giving you, that it really allows you to get into it with the least amount of money out of your pocket. So what are those incentives, you're asking? Well, let's start, because there's a list. We do have the 4.99 interest rate, which is going to help you save hundreds of dollars in your monthly payment. We do have all of the appliances. They're giving you the fridge, washer, and dryer included, which it's not typical for new construction, so that's definitely a plus. And they are also covering all of your closing costs. So you're pretty much walking into a home like this with only your down payment. So if you're doing FHA, you're going to be paying 3.5% of the purchase price, or if you're doing conventional, you're paying as low as 3% of the purchase price. So definitely a really good opportunity for you. So if this is something that you're looking for, feel free to reach out, because houses are selling fast in this specific community because of all of the incentives that they're giving. So if this is something that you're looking for, then let's go ahead and connect and get you into one of these homes. And this is not what you're looking for, then we can always still talk about what is it that you need, and we'll make sure to help you find the home of your dreams. So thank you again for watching. Don't forget to hit the notification button, like and subscribe, and also share so others can benefit from this content. I really appreciate you guys watching all the way until now, and I'll see you in the next one. Lana Ribeiro, find your home, live your dreams.